Previously on Lego The Awesome Lives of Terrance and Fluffykins. I think I know what your friend has, but you're not gonna like it. I think I know what your friend has, but hey, you're not gonna like it. Meanwhile, in the doctor's office. Well, according to the internet, it says here that you had the case of sneeze-oritis. Sneeze-oritis? What is sneeze-oritis? Yeah, Doc, and how does it affect my friend? Well, sneeze-oritis comes as a certain allergy or cold. You might get it if you sniff something touchy, like, I don't know, something dusty, something groany and stuff. Sounds pretty interesting. But here's the catch with it. Every sneeze is deadly. Yes, every sneeze is deadly. You know how much sneezes you're close to death. Sneeze-oritis is very rare, and you might catch it if you sniff something really, really funky, like, I don't know, a flower or something dusty. I already stated that. So, how long does he got to live? Well, nobody really recorded it for sure. But according to Google, every sneeze is deadly. Oh my god. So that means we have to find out what making you sneeze. Exactly. Hello guys, I can't do anything for you further on. I already tell your symptoms. But you have to figure out what you're sneezing and what making you sneeze. Because every single sneeze is deadly. Hello. Go home, get some rest, come back here. Thanks again, Doc. No worries, kid. Just doing my job. 2 hours and 2 seconds later. Oh, whatever. I don't sound French. Terrance, we need to find out what's making you sneeze. Because every sneeze is deadly. Yeah, because I have to figure out what could make me sneeze. Food, flowers, or you. Whoa. Why are you putting me in this? I don't know, Fluffykins. It could be a possibility that you're making me sneeze. Terrance, I'm your best friend. I would never make you sneeze like that. Oh no, he's gotta sneeze again. Oh my god, your sneezes are getting more and more destructive. And Terrance, I think I'm starting to believe you. Maybe it could be me. It could be anybody. We don't really know. No. Will Terrance and Fluffykins figure out what's making him sneeze? Or the answer is just under their noses. Figure out in part 3.